Welcome sa zip9.com. This video ay itutuloy natin yung ating series about combined variation. No? In this video, magsisolve tayo ng two more problems about combined variation. So the first problem, y varies directly as x and inversely as z. No? And y equals 12 when x equals 6 and z equals 4. Find x when y equals 3 and z equals 2. So y varies directly as x, meaning y equals kx, no? Tapos inversely as z, yung z natin nasa baba. So kx over z. So pag varies directly, nasa same sila, and then pag inversely, nasa baba siya, nasa numerator siya ng fraction. Okay, so sabi niya y equals 12. So we just substitute y equals 12. Then we have the equal sign. Ang x natin ay 6. So, k times 6 at yung z natin ay 4. So, substitute 4. Then we have to find the value of k. No? So, there's a 4 here. Tanggalin natin yung 4 by multiplying both sides by 4, no? Para matanggal yung denominator. No? So, magiging 48. Equals, makakancel ito, no? And then 6 times k is 6k. And if we divide both sides by 6, then we have 8 equals k. So, ang value ng k natin ay 8. Meaning, we can substitute the value here. Ito. So, ang susunod na, or ang bagong equation natin ay magiging y equals 8x over z. And then find x when y equals 3 and z equals 4. So basically, this is just solving equation. Kung mapapansin nyo lahat ng mga variation problems natin pag tayo ay nakapag-set up na, susolve lang tayo actually ng equation. So we substitute y equals 3. So 3 equals 8x over z, which is 2, no? So, makakancel actually ito, magiging 4x. 4x equals 3, meaning dividing both sides by 4, 3 over 4 equals 4x over 4. No? Para matanggal ito, para x na lang matira, so we divide by 4. So, this is x equals 3/4. So, this is the value of x. Yan yung hinahanap natin. Okay? Hindi maayos natin pagka-circle. Anyway, this is our answer. Okay, for the second problem, we have inversely as the square of r and p equals 2 over 9 when q equals 1 and r equals 3. Find p when q equals 1/2 and r equals 5. Now, p varies directly as q, so p equals kq, but inversely as the square of r. So, square of r meaning r squared siya. Yung r squared dahil inversely siya, doon siya sa baba. So, ito yung ating equation. P equals kq over r squared. P equals kq over r squared. And ang p natin ay 2 over 9 equals kq. What is our q? K times 1 over r squared. R squared. This is our r. So, this is 3 squared or 9. R squared, di ba? So, 3 squared is 9. And multiplying both sides by 9, no? Para matanggal yung fraction. We have, this will cancel out. This will cancel out. K times 1 is k. So, ang k natin ay 2. Meaning, pwede natin i-substitute yung k dito. So, magiging p equals 2q over r squared. Ito na yung equation natin. And then we substitute, no? Find p when q equals 1/2. So, magiging 2 times 1/2. 2q, di ba? So, ang q natin ay 1/2. So, 2 times 1/2 over r squared. And our r is 5. So, 5 squared dito. So, magiging, ano ang dalawang 1/2? Siyempre, 1, di ba? And 5 squared is 25. So, the value of p equals 1 over 25. Yun yung sagot natin. Now, kung napapansin nyo, lahat ng mga variation, no? Pag-solve ng variation, they're actually just um, manipulating equations, no? So, and solving for the value of variable. So, yun lang naman. So, kung alam niyo yung paano mag-solve ng equation, paano pasikot-sikot na equation, no? Madali lang siya, no? Once na set up nyo na ng tama. But of course, you have to be careful in setting up kasi kung mali yung variable nyo, kung mali yung pwesto na nalagyan, then syempre kahit masagot nyo naman, mali rin yung magiging sagot nyo, no? So, be careful. Okay, so that's it. Gusto ko yung invite sa ating website, sipnayan.com, and meron tayong YouTube channel, no? So this is the address, or just simply type Sipnayan. O kung nasa Facebook naman kayo, ay meron tayong Facebook page, pwede nyo i-like, no? Para updated kayo sa mga bago nating mga ipopost. And syempre, kung sa YouTube channel kayo, ay maganda rin na mag-subscribe kayo para every time na may bago tayong video ay ma-i-inform kayo, no? So, that's it. I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.